Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Stay home and stay safe. Take care of yourself and keep on praying for everyone's good health. Students, today is Wednesday, 5th May 2021. It's your maths period and today our topic is fraction. So open your countdown books. Students, open your countdown books. Students, today we will learn about fraction of equal parts and quarters. It's when we divide something into four equal parts, we cut into quarters. So a quarter means one part out of four equal parts. A quarter means one part out of four equal parts, or we can write it as 1 by 4. We write quarter as 1 by 4. Students, look at this. It is one whole, and when we cut it into four equal parts, it is quarter. It is cut into four equal parts. It is quarters. It's four quarters. We will write it as four quarters. Students, open page number 96. First of all, write down here classwork and short date, that is 5th May 2021. Equal parts, quarters. Tick the shapes that are divided into quarters. Always remember that, students, quarters are four equal parts. Quarters are four equal parts. Students, as half means one out of two equal parts, so quarters are four equal parts. Now tick the shapes that are divided into quarters. Quarters means four equal parts. Is this cut into four equal parts? No, it's not. It is into four equal parts. It is quarter. Yes, it is quarter. Now look at this shape. Is it four equal parts? No, it's not. It's not four equal parts. Now look at the next shape. Is it quarter? Yes, it is four equal parts. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's four equal parts, so it is quarter. Now look at this shape. Is it quarter? No, it's not. It's not four equal parts. Look at this shape. Is it quarter? It's four equal parts. It has four equal parts. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's four equal parts. It means it is quarter. It's not. Again, it's not. Now look at this. It's four equal parts. It has four equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's four equal parts. So we will take it. So students, always remember that quarter means four equal parts. When we cut a shape, any shape, when we cut any shape into four equal parts, it is quarter. Look at these shapes. These all shapes are divided into four equal parts. All parts are of equal length, so it is quarter. Students, next we have question number 2. These shapes are all cut into quarters. Color each quarter in a different color. Then write 1 by 4 where necessary. Look at these. These all shapes are cut into quarters. These all shapes are cut into quarters because all shapes have same equal four equal parts. These are all have four equal parts. Look at these. All are have four equal parts. These are quarter. These all shapes are cut into quarters. So we will write in it 1 by 4 in each shape and do one color. Okay, 1 by 4 means one part out of four parts. Then students, you will do color in each quarter to show the quarter. Okay, and write 1 by 4. Students, four quarters make a whole, and when we divide it into quarter into four equal parts, it is quarter. Students, now open page number 97. Equal parts, quarters and halves. Look at these shapes. How much has been colored? 1 by 2 or 1 by 4? Write in the box. Look at this. It is total two parts and one part is colored, so we write it as 1 by 2. What is the fraction of this part? It's 1 by 2. Now look at this. Here we have two parts. Total parts are 2, and how many shaded parts? It's 1, so we write its fraction as 1 by 2. Now look at this. Is it 1 by 2? No. How many total parts? It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many total parts? It's 4 total parts. And how many shaded parts? It's 1. So the fraction of this part is 1 by 4. We write it as 1 by 4. Not it's 1 by 2, it's 1 by 4. Again, look at this. How many total parts is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we write it as total parts are 4 and how many shaded parts? It's 1. So the fraction of this part is 1 by 4. How many total parts? It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write it as total parts are 4 and how many shaded parts? It's 1. So the fraction of this part is 1 by 4. Look at this shape. Total, how many total parts? Is it 4? No, its total parts are 2, 1 and 2. So we write it as 2 and how many shaded parts? It's 1. So the fraction of this shape is 1 by 2. The fraction of this shape is 1 by 2. Again, count total parts 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total parts are 4 and how many shaded parts? It's 1. So the fraction of this shape is 1 by 4. Students, lower number represents the total parts, or we call it as denominator, and upper number represents the shaded part or colored part we have, and it is called numerator. It's numerator and here we have denominator. Students, upper or top number represents numerator and bottom or lower number represents denominator. Now question number 2, join the dots then color 1 by 2 or 1 by 4. The box tells you which. Look at this. First of all, its fraction is 1 by 4 and it means we have to color one box, one part shaded part. So we will do just one part color. Now here we have fraction, it's 1 by 4. It means total parts we have 4 and how many shaded parts? It's 1. Upper number represents shaded part or colored part. So we just do the one part color. Students, next we have shape, it's 1 by 2. It means we have to do colors in two parts. Okay, it's two halves make one whole. Two halves make one whole when we divide it into halves. Students, when we divide a whole into two halves, it's one half and it's one half. We will write its fraction as 1 by 2. It means we will do two parts of the shape colored. If we do just one part, it means it not represent half. So we do half part of this shape colored. Now look at the next shape. It's 1 by 4. Here we have total parts are 4. Look at this. Here we have total parts 4. And how many shaded parts? It represents one part. It's one part. It means we do just one part colored. So students, we will do just one part colored. Next we have, look at this, it's 1 by 2. Total parts are 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we cut a hole into two halves, we will write it as 1 by 2. It's when we cut it into two halves, it's one half and it's one half make a whole. It's one half and one half make a whole. So we will do half of this shape. We will do color half of this shape. It means we will do 1 and 2. In half of this shape, we will do color half of this shape. Students, look at this. Is it represent half of this shape? No, it's not, because here we have 1 by 2. It means half of this shape. And half of this shape becomes one more colored part. So we will do one more colored part. Students, now look at this. It is half of this shape. Half of this shape, it means it is we will do two parts of this shape colored, then it represents half of this shape. Students, I hope you will understand today's topic. You will solve page number 96 and 97 of countdown on countdown books. And if you have any problem, you can ask me. Stay home and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz class.